A wise man once said, "When life hits you hard, don't ask, 'Why is this happening to me?' Instead, ask, 'What is this trying to teach me?'" Every setback hides a lesson. Every challenge is a disguised opportunity. Your growth begins the moment you stop resisting and start reflecting. We are born in a day. We die in a day. We can change in a single day. Fall in love, take a risk, or start again. All it takes is one moment of courage. Never underestimate what can happen in just one day. Your breakthrough could be today. Whatever you're going through, keep moving. Your time will come. You don't get what you wish for. You get what you fight for. So stop waiting for signs. Stop explaining yourself. Don't announce your moves. Just arrive. Let your actions make the noise. Your life today is the result of what you did a year ago. And your life a year from now? That depends on what you start doing right now. If the process feels tough, it means something big is coming. Don't give up. Dig deeper. In a world full of talkers, be a doer. While others are busy hyping dreams, you're busy turning them into reality. The real power isn't in the hype, it's in the proof. Let success be your response. Let results do the speaking. Decide what you want. Write it down. Make a plan. And then work on it. Every single day. Your competition isn't other people. It's your procrastination, your doubts, your excuses. Conquer that version of yourself. That's where your real victory lies.